wanted you to finish this project by 5 tonight before I leave, so...
It's 3 o'clock.
Yeah. I just need it done. Thank you, Rich, for staying.
It's ridiculous. I need some serious help. Well, who are you?
You said you need help.
What?
I'm God. I'm paid to help you out.
You mean just now when you can just show up like that?
Yeah, I wasn't busy. Is there a problem? You need help, don't you?
Yeah, I'm working on this project my boss dropped on me. I really only have like an hour left to do it.
You can do it, don't you know you are? You're rich. You got this.
I don't have the time, the resources, the capabilities to complete this in an hour.
Oh, stop whining. This is easy stuff.
Dear God, isn't there something you could just give me or just do it for me or?
I can't do it for you, but I think I can help you out. Here you go.
What's this?
Stapler.
And that's gonna help me how?
It's gonna help you out.
It's just a staple. Well, what does it do? Is it magical or?
You'll figure it out.
Huh. I didn't know God was Mexican.
I'm not.
Come on. Yes.
Dude, my boss, man. He gave me so much work today, it was ridiculous.
It's the same thing with me. He just comes in and he's like, hey, I need you to finish this, and then he just walks away. That's all he does.
I
every
know,
single day.
man. I gotta make babies today, man.
Oh, there's no way I can get through that.
Use the stapler.
Make babies?
Yeah.
What is all this?
It's the project.
It's past 5 o'clock.
Well, you're fired. Well, your stapler didn't help me, alright?
When I said use the stapler, I didn't say throw it at him.